Hello, today I will show you how to open a Logitech B170 mouse. First open the bottom cover, then slide the plastic ears towards the outside of the mouse. Slide the plastic ear toward the outside of the mouse and press it down. To remove the board, slide the plastic ear toward the outside of the mouse. I hope the video helped you. You can subscribe for free for new videos.